guys, welcome back. Lookfantastic is here and this box is my favourite colour. Looking forward to diving into this. If you're new here, hello, my name is Amy and I'm into all things beauty. If this is your thing too, then hit the subscribe button and ring the bell and come and join our YouTube family. We're a lovely bunch. With that being said, put the kettle on, pull up a chair and let's go. Now, like I said, absolutely beautiful blue box has arrived. I can't wait to dive into this. Lookfantastic is a beauty website and you can purchase a wide range of products from a wide range of brands on there. They have really good sales and from the day I'm recording this, they're actually running one today, I think, which is great. They've got codes and stuff, so go and have a look. As part of what they sell really is they provide a beauty subscription box. Now I will link in the description below how much I pay and all that kind of technical stuff because I just want to dive into this box. Now in the top of this box you get a magazine. It's the Edit. I will be referring to this because I always come across products that I've not seen and brands that, you know, I've never heard of, so it's always good just to read up on them and get some information. Now the theme for this month is called Ethereal. I think that's how you pronounce it, and it's all to do with raising awareness for the British Sun Foundation basically. It's National Sun Awareness Week between the 4th and 10th of May, I think. Yeah, so this edit is all part of raising awareness, making sure you're aware of the consequences of not wearing sunscreen and having long sun and UV exposure. So remember your sunscreen, guys, it's really, really important. Now I'm going to show you a sneak peek of one of next month's products. So if you don't want to see it, close your eyes now. So here we go. I'm going to hold it up so you can see it. It looks quite interesting. Yeah, I'm currently using a product by them, and I'm really liking it. I was quite surprised. So let's dig into this box. I know there are two substitutions, and unfortunately one of them is our sneak peek from last month, and I was quite looking forward to trying that. So I'm going to give you a little sneaky peek of what's in here. There we go. It's not as well presented as Glossy Box, but I like it all the same. Now the first product right off the top I'm really disappointed with straight away. This is one of the substitutions and it's the Loreal Paris hand sanitizer gel with Hydro-alcoholic is what they call it. And it purifies hands without drying out and having to rinse off. It has alcohol in it and glycerin, and it's for your hands. I am really disappointed because we've just getting shed loads of hand sanitizer. I know it's handy to have and this is handbag size, but come on guys, this is just too much now. But I'm going to pop a little bit on my hands just so that we can kind of see what it looks and smells like. There we go. It's quite loose, as you can see. It's running away everywhere. And that is just pure alcohol. That's really strong. Really, really strong. But yeah, it's handy to have. I'll pop it in my handbag and I'll use it on the go, or I may pop it on the, you know, kitchen windowsill and family can use it. But yeah, I'm sorry, but that's a rather disappointing one. Now the next item we have, I think this is a substitution as well. It's the Hydra Memory cream gel, and it's the 24-hour double hydration cream gel. You get 15 mils. Now I don't think this one is in the magazine, so I will just double check with you. I think this was either a substitute for the S-Bar sneaky peek from last month. Yeah, the S-Bar moisturiser, or it could have been what I was so looking forward to using was the Daily Concepts multifunctional soap sponge with added mother of pearl. So unfortunately we don't get those items. We got a Hydrogel Cream. Rather disappointing, I think. It's sealed. I'm not going to open this up because I'm not sure whether I'm going to keep hold of this or not. I may pop it in a giveaway. I may open it up at a later date. But yeah, another rather disappointing product. It's like they've kind of just thrown a few bits in there. Now the next item I am really intrigued about, and it's the Vintage Cosmetic Soft Silicone for a gentle exfoliation. Now this is a silicone exfoliating pad. I'll get this out, which looks really cool. I like the little tools they put in here because they always put stuff in that you would never think of buying yourself, which is great. You've got kind of like a little handle here, so you would use it sort of like that, pop it in between your fingers and go over the face. I would use it as part of cleansing, so I would either pop my cleanser straight onto the pad, or I would just pop the cleanser on my face and then go in and over. It's quite cool. I like it. I will give you a bit of info on it. And it says it's a soft silicone bristle facial pad designed for use with your favourite cleanser to deeply cleanse your pores and remove any dead skin cells. Use regularly to reveal a gorgeous glowing complexion. So that's cool. And it says it's suitable for daily use, which is what we like. And it says it's wet it with warm water and squeeze your preferred facial cleanser onto the pad. Gently rub over the skin in circular motions, forming the lava, and then rinse thoroughly. So it's very simple to use. Like I said, it's silicone. It will be easy to clean. It's very small, so it will fit in your makeup bag if you're travelling, which is great. So I'm quite interested to try one of those. Pleased with that. I have another disappointing item. Lip balm. Another lip balm. Did we get a lip balm in Glossy Box last month? So this is like the second month running. Like I said last month, it's kind of like Lookfantastic taking it in turns with Glossy Box. You'll do a lip balm this month, I'll do one next month. You can do an eye cream this month and I'll do one next month. But hey ho. This is the Burts Bees Cucumber and Mint, and it's basic lip balm. Burts Bees is a great brand. I've used so many tubes of this. My daughter swears by it. I'm not going to open it up and sniff it because I'm going to pop this in a giveaway because I've got 3 lip balms on the go already and I've not finished the one that I got last month yet either. So we're going to pop that in a giveaway, but I'll give you some information. And it says a deliciously flavoured version of the cult classic lip balm, formulated to condition and moisturise the lips for a pelt that everyone will be buzzing about. You'll receive either refreshing cucumber, super sweet cherry or fresh watermelon this month, and it's got beeswax and coconut oil. And it says apply to lips liberally as often as needed. So yeah, it's a lip balm. It's disappointing, but hey ho. Now the next product I'm really looking forward to trying because I've been enjoying this brand. This is Dr. Botanicals. It's the Kiwi Superfood Cooling Eye Serum. Now I think this would be great to use in the morning. I think if you don't want to use a heavy cream, try using this in the morning. It's vegan, it's cruelty free, it's 98.4% natural, which is quite a random number. It's dermatologically tested and it's gluten and wheat free, so this will suit so many different kinds of skins, which is great. And I'm wondering if it actually smells like kiwis. I do like kiwis. They just remind me of the summer. Packaging is absolutely lovely. That looks like a really loose, very liquidy formula. It's a bit cloudy in there too. So there we go. Let's see what this is like. I'm about to run out of my eye gel, so this would be quite handy to move on to. Now, that is a very loose serum, so be careful when you're applying. It does, it smells like kiwis. Yeah, and I can smell watermelon and a bit of mint as well. Oh, I like that. Oh, I'm very pleased. Yeah, that's rubbing in. It's a little bit tacky, but that my skin has just absorbed it straight away, and it actually feels quite soft and smooth. So I'm very looking forward to trying this. I think Lookfantastic might be redeeming themselves. Did I speak too soon? Now the next item is a hand cream, but we'll see what it smells like. It's a Stress Check Kind Hands Soothing Hand Cream for dry overwashed hands, and it's from the brand This Works. Now I love their pillar spray. It's absolutely gorgeous and it really does help you drift off to sleep. This is cruelty free and it's vegan. It's paraben and phthalate and sulfate free, which is absolutely fantastic. I'm just wondering what this smells like. If this smells anything like the pillow spray, that would be absolutely amazing. Just going to squeeze a little bit out. I've just run out of a hand cream that I was using, so oh yeah, lavender. That is absolutely stunning. Right, okay, I'm not as disappointed now. Yeah, I like that. It's got a very natural kind of herb. It reminds me of a garden. It's real natural lavender, like you've just walked through it. Yeah, absolutely gorgeous. I think they have redeemed themselves. And Lookfantastic have said it's an intensively moisturising hand cream, perfect for replenishing the skin after washing and sanitising. So they've kind of put it in to kind of go alongside the hand sanitizer. It says the formula locks in essential hydration and provides fast action relief without leaving any sticky residue. Also enriched with This Work Stress Check fragrance to uplift your scents with every use. It has shea butter, vitamin E, bio boost oil, lavender and ylang ylang. And you can really smell that lavender. Massage into the hands after washing and sanitising until fully absorbed. Now yeah, that's gone. I have no greasiness at all, which is absolutely fabulous. And I can still smell it. So if it de-stresses me and is kind to my hands and brings them back to life, then I'm all for that one. So I'm not disappointed with it. Now the last item I'm really intrigued about, and I absolutely love this brand. This is the E-Cooking Peeling Mask, and it says, don't panic if your skin turns red, it means it's working. And there's the packaging. It's quite a small pot, but I can't imagine you needing to use very much of this. And I expect that it will work along the same kind of principles as kind of like the ordinary, you know, the intensive red peel they have. Can't really smell anything. I can just smell the lavender, but it's like a creamy, it's quite loose. I like that. I do love E-Cooking. Fabulous, fabulous brand. So I will give you a little bit of information about it, as I've never come across this before. And it says, an effective face mask with peeling effects to tighten and smooth your complexion. Its active ingredients rid your skin of dead skin cells and encourages cell production, which over time decreases the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Absolutely fabulous. I imagine you would use this sort of once or twice a week because you really don't want to over exfoliate. And it says your skin will prickle upon application and may look red after use, but this is completely normal. And it has lactic acid, glycolic acid, and it has squalane. So the lactic acid and the glycolic acid is the exfoliants. And it says you apply a thin layer onto dry, cleansed skin, avoiding eyes and mouth. If you really need to avoid the eyes and mouth with this, because you will burn and you could seriously do some damage. It says leave on for 4 to 6 minutes. Building up to 10 to 12 minutes over time. So the first time you use it, pop it on 4 to 6 minutes, and then maybe after 2 to 3 weeks of usage, leave it on longer. But it says no longer than 10 to 12 minutes because you will start to damage your skin. Rinse with warm water and follow with a nourishing moisturiser, and it says use 1 to 3 times a week. And there's a top tip: due to the peeling nature of this mask, it is not recommended for use before going out in the sun. So use it as part of your nighttime skin routine, which is how I use my quite harsh and strong exfoliants. So yeah, I really am pleased with that one. So what did you think of this month's box? I'm kind of a bit 50-50 with it. We had what, 4 products that I'm quite looking forward to trying, and the hand cream definitely redeemed itself with that fragrance. That is all I can smell. It smells absolutely stunning. So yeah, you know, it could have been better. It could have been a lot worse. But we'll see what next month's box brings. And I absolutely love the colour, and the different colours they're releasing in the boxes now looks like we're building a rainbow. So it's something that I'd quite like to have on display eventually. Thank you for joining me again today, and I hope to see you again soon. In the meantime, lovelies, please take care. Bye bye.